Welcome to ONUS Inventory App, Products module. We will talk about how a user can search products in the ONUS Inventory app. Open www.clover.com. User will log in the Clover with provided credentials and will be redirected to the ONUS dashboard. From the left panel, select ONUS Inventory and the user will be taken to the ONUS Inventory application. All the products available in the stores are managed in the Product module. Click on the Products icon, user will be redirected to the Products listing page. The user can search products by providing value in the search text box to search for a specific product using the parameters such as the following: barcode, product name, vendor item number, summary. The user can sort products in ascending or descending order in these columns: barcode, product name, vendor item number, summary, size, price, on hand, division. The user can filter products using advanced filter options. Reset option is provided to the user in order to reset the advanced filter selection. Advanced filter has 6 different options available as follows: category, label, division, size, case quantity, below par level. The user can also select multiple categories, labels, divisions or sizes to filter products accordingly. The user can click on the down arrow icon available besides barcode to view products variants, if available. The user can edit the product by clicking on the edit icon. The user can sync inventory data with the Clover using sync icon. The user can clone any product directly by clicking on the clone icon available at the end. The user can view charts by clicking on the chart icon. The user can select custom date range to view charts. There are 3 types of charts available as follows: purchase order chart, receive order chart, product sales chart. Pagination is available at the bottom of the page to directly navigate to specific page number. The user can select number of records to be displayed in single page. Options are as follows: 10, 25, 50, 100. The user can delete single or multiple records by selecting them and clicking on the delete button. Total inventory value to be displayed on the products list page, and it will be automatically updated. Total inventory value calculation will be as follows: on hand quantity multiplied by unit price. Thanks for watching.